Hello, boys and gals. I'm with you again. Today, we're going to talk about the greatest discovery of the humankind. Well, debatable, but the world's discoveries and advances in science in recent months have prompted us to go on the air to the general population to tell you about the use of artificial intelligence. In general, the introduction of artificial intelligence into the lives of people and businesses is one of the most relevant and promising trends in the modern world. One of the main benefits is an improved quality of life, of course. This will help in solving many problems related to health, education, transport, and other areas. For example, in medicine, AI can help diagnose diseases, predict epidemics, and develop new drugs. And in education, it's going to help in personalization of learning by adapting the learning process to the individual needs of each student, which some teachers are actually not able to do that. So it's one of the key points of having AI. By the way, today artificial intelligence is already actively used in medicine, marketing, and business. It accelerated and improved the work and made it more accurate and efficient in general. And it's way more consistent compared to human standards, for example. And generally, AI is an important technology that will play an interesting role in the future. Every programmer should know how to work with it in order to create more advanced systems. And in addition, AI must be in every computer, well, that's in my opinion, to provide a more efficient and automated system. In business, AI will definitely improve efficiency and productivity. For example, AI can help with the process automation, logistics optimization, and resource management. And also, AI can also improve and help with the quality of products and services, as well as create new products and services by itself. For example, I previously provided consulting services in the field of marketing and digitalization of business processes. And having learned how to work with artificial intelligence in my work and client processes, I realized that it is very important to convey to every top and middle manager the benefits of neural networks in daily work and in routine businesses. This will not only improve the quality of work, but also enhance the corporate culture of the entire company. Using neural networks at work is like using Excel and Word for a manager or 1C for an accountant. However, the introduction of AI can also lead to some negative consequences. For example, AI could replace workers in some areas, which could lead to layoffs and social problems, of course. Also, AI can lead to a deterioration in the quality of life if it is used to control or monitor people, and that's if it gets into wrong hands, of course. To avoid negative consequences, it is necessary to develop AI implementation strategies, taking into account that interests of all stakeholders, of course. And, for example, businesses need to develop AI that helps employees instead of replacing them overall. And, to briefly summarize, the introduction of artificial intelligence into our lives is a complex and multifaceted process that requires a fully careful and responsible approach. AI can bring many benefits, and the one who first masters these work algorithms will be ahead and will receive many advantages. To basically show you how AI works, very briefly, it can already see the examples like explain quantum computing in simple terms, getting creative ideas for 10-year-old's birthday, how do I make HTTP requests in JavaScript. For example, I can briefly recall my med school questions, like, for example, please explain glycolysis in step-by-step manner. And see, it takes time to, calculate the answer. And as you can see, it lists everything step by step, which is completely amazing regarding the speed as well, because with the human being, you have to write down the notes, read all the resources, all the books necessary to like write everything step by step. But with this program, you're essentially, it has access to those researches and books and can basically narrow down every information for any human being to understand, which is quite astonishing in my opinion. And it's very much vital to be used in every single field. And well, what can I tell you, everyone? It's just amazing. And we could talk about it more, but of course, well, everything is up to you. Up to you to use this program and implement it everywhere. That is my opinion. And now, goodbye.